Hello, Future Millionaire. In this video, I want to showcase a little bit more of the locations here. This is the same location as I used for a different video predicting major upcoming price increase in 2021. This is called the Spit, and it's surrounded by water. So if you guys, ever come to Gold Coast, this is the perfect place to start your journey. Now, I can't make the videos outside anymore. I'm getting eaten alive by mosquitoes. So a lot of things look pretty, but it's not very practical. However, I would like to continue the discussion about what's going to happen now in the market. Let me make a few short-term predictions. Normally, I don't do this ever. So whoever watched my video knows I don't like to make short-term predictions because crypto is famously unpredictable. However, this time, it is slightly different. In 2021, we have a completely different financial situation. I foresee major financial problems on the horizon, globally, everywhere. All the money that's been printed is coming back to roost for everybody. You have to protect yourself. You must protect yourself. This printing press is not going to stop. They will never stop, because if they stop, the patients are going to die. And the patient being the over-leveraged financial economy of the world. And let me give you some example what's going on the ground. The reason I like to go to dealerships, look at cars and things, not only because I like cars, more importantly, I talk to salespeople. I know what's going on the ground, and I know what's going on in the real estate market. People are going crazy right now, over-leveraging themselves to buy depreciating assets like cars. Here in Australia, it is impossible to get a car you want if it's a popular model, and you're paying premium price for that as well. What does it tell us? This tells us everyone has learned the lesson very quickly that the government is printing money. If there's a virus, they print money. If there's unemployment, they print money. If there's a financial collapse, they print money. Any problems in the world, they print money. And that money has to go somewhere. Nobody's putting the money away for savings. Everyone's spending as quickly as they can on things they want. So this is not going to end well. I've studied hyperinflation throughout my life. And let me tell you this. We are at the early stage of a global hyperinflationary depression. And I mean it seriously. This is not one of those joke videos. I really mean it seriously. You must protect yourself. If you don't, anything you have worked for in your life will be gone in a flash. The money printing press is going to destroy your savings. It's going to destroy your income ability. You will be left behind. You have to protect yourself. Okay? In the next video, I will give you some practical advice how you should protect yourself, just an entry-level advice. All right, see you in the next video. Bye.